Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Display section. In it, scroll down again, click on Font Size, and finally, after scrolling down one more time, operate this slider to pick the perfect size of text. You can check out preview above. When you finish, just click on the back button. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!